Hello. Magandang araw. Welcome to my channel. Ako nga pala si Mystico Moreno, or in short, Mismo. At dito sa aking channel, we will manifest love and light. Sa inyong Tagalog love reading. Ngayon na, Mismo. Okay, so half of the year is over. At the second half of the year started yesterday. So, July na. And tingnan natin kung ano yung masasagap mong energy from the collective. And this love reading ay para sa lahat ng Leo. Hello sa inyong mga Leo. Maraming salamat sa patuloy na pagsuporta sa Mystico Moreno channel. Sana patuloy niyo pong suportahan ang aking channel by liking this video. It really helps the channel grow. Comment na rin sa baba, lalo na kung mag-resonate itong reading pagkatapos nyong panoorin hanggang dulo. And sa mga bago, sana supportan nyo rin po by subscribing para updated din kayo sa mga ipopost ko pang love reading. And kung napanood nyo yung reading ko last week, yung para sa lahat ng fire signs, na banggit ko dun yung promo, ongoing pa rin po siya. So, kung gusto nyo pong malaman paano, panoorin nyo po yung video na yun. And, mamimigay ako ng free personal and private love reading. Anyway, so, bubunot ako ng 8 cards from this deck and alamin natin kung ano yung masasagap kong energy. But before that, bubunot ako ng isang oracle card from the other deck, and that would be the overall energy of this reading. Okay? And from there, alamin natin yung detalye using tarot cards. Okay. Just to remind everyone that this is a collective and personal, and not a personal private love reading. So it may or may not resonate with everyone. Take whatever resonates, leave the rest behind. Kapag hindi talaga, huwag pilitin, abangan nyo lang mga susunod pang readings. Better yet, book a personal private reading kasi mas naka-align yun sa energy ninyo. Nasa description box lang naman yung email ko. Okay, I'll get the 7th card dahil July na. And let's see what's the energy for the Leos. So, let's see. Take adversity head on. A path with no bend is boring. Okay. So, parang sinasabi lang dito na mga challenges, lalo na sa romantic relationship, ay parte lang talaga ng buhay. I mean, wala namang perfecto sana sasabihin ko eh. So, wala namang perfect relationship. And yung mga challenges na or mga issues, conflicts, nangyayari siya talaga, pero it's how we resolve it, how we work on it. Yun yung mga lesson na tututunan natin and nakakatulong sa growth ng relationship. Okay, so, and sinasabi lang din dito, yung tackle adversity head on. Yun nga, harapin niyo na agad. Sa relationship, best talaga na proper yung communication, open, honest, and talagang may matinong diskusyonan, lalo na kapag may issue sa relasyon. Harapin na agad kasi pinapatagal pa. Best nga na hindi mo na paabutin sa susunod na araw. Kung nagkaroon ng conflict today, huwag nyo na paabutin sa susunod na araw. Best na ma-resolve na siya as soon as possible. Kasi the more na pinapatagal ninyo, the more na nagkakaroon ng hinanakit. May mga grudges, resentment, namumuo yung anger, namumuo yung sadness, hanggang sa magugulat na lang kayo na tapos na yung relasyon, which is actually hindi nyo na dapat kinagulat dahil may mga issues na hindi na-resolve agad. Okay, so tingnan natin ano yung detalye sa overall energy na to. Okay? So, let's see. First card. The Emperor. It's the same first card sa Taurus yata or Aries reading. Second card, Wheel of Fortune. Five of Pentacles. Yeah, may conflict nga. Three of Wands. Nine of Wands. Queen of Pentacles. Knight of Cups. And Page of Cups. Hey, so far, yeah, yung Five of Pentacles lang naman yung pinaka-issue dito, which is, I think, that's what you really need to tackle head-on. Yung cause niya. Okay, bottom of the deck, meron pa, Five of Cups. So, pretty much similar sila ng vibe, ng energy, Five of Cups. Bottom of the deck, yun yung energy sa paligid ninyo or sa inyo mismo na you're not aware, pero nandiyan yung energy na yan. Or baka in denial ka na nafe-feel mo siya pero in denial ka lang. Kasi, sige, explain ko na lang mamaya. Alright, so again, tackle adversity head-on. May mga issues na kailangan harapin nyo na as soon as possible. The soonest, the better. And nakikita ko with your love and romantic connection with your person, meron isa sa inyo na very authoritative masyado. I mean, Emperor card has this stable, grounded, pero ang nafe-feel ko dito sa connection ninyo in relation dun sa overall energies, merong nasobrahan sa pagiging authoritarian ang approach na medyo nakakasakal ang nangyayari. So either your person yung gumagawa nun or ikaw, that's when nagkakaroon ng issue sa relasyon. So, but with the Wheel of Fortune showing up here, kayang baguhin dito. Again, maybe this is a sign that you have to change or your person has to change. Bigyan mo siya ng awareness kung siya yung gumagawa nun. Pero kung ikaw, meron ka ng awareness now. And reflect on it and change. Okay? Kailangan baguhin talaga siya para magbago din yung energy sa relationship, di ba? So, mag-shift yung fortune or yung negative to positive energy, okay? As represented din talaga by the Wheel of Fortune. And nakikita ko din dito na with the Five of Pentacles talaga, there's this energy of loss, sadness, and even ang daming, I would say, conflict, issues, emotional detachment, lack of affection, lack of love. I think it's a result nga ng mga previous events na may mga issues, arguments, conflicts na hindi nire-resolve agad. Kaya siya nag-lead into detachment, medyo lumalayo na yung loob niyo sa isa't isa kasi nga may resentment na, may namumuong grudges sa isa't isa dahil may mga issues na hindi ma-resolve. But now it's time to do it. Okay? Kasi, ayun, kung naalala niyo yung sinabi ko kanina, it has the same energy with the Five of Cups. So, Pentacles is yun nangyayari na, nagmamaterialize na yung mga detachment, emotional detachment, resentment, grudges, and leading to the Five of Cups. Alam nyo sa sarili nyo, hindi na rin kayo masaya dahil nga ang daming ang gulo-gulo ng relasyon, ang daming issue, konting kibot, mag-aaway, konting sagutan, nauuwi sa tampuhan, bangayan, di ba? And ayun, medyo yung Five of Cups energy kasi may mga regrets tuloy na nangyayari. Pero again, the Five of Cups is a minor arcana. It could be changed. Pwede nyong i-flip ito into something better kung maayos ninyo yung issues at matackle niyo nga yung mga conflict ninyo head on. So, with the Three of Wands energy here, sinasabi rin na merong there's romance. Okay? But you really have to take action. Agapan nyo na to. Three of Wands has the energy of like doing what you need to do. Take action. Okay? Yung future, parang nakatingin kayo sa future, ano yung mga kailangan gawin para ma-achieve ninyo yung mga goals ninyo in the future. So, anong kailangan gawin? Tunganga? Hindi, di ba? Kailangan nyo nga siyang harapin. Okay? Kasi, the more you delay it, the more nga na magli-lead siya into a failed relationship. So, kung gusto nyo magstay sa relationship at mahal nyo naman talaga yung isa't isa, ayusin nyo na as soon as possible. Okay? And with the Nine of Wands energy here, it's a card of resilience. So, I think nga na if you take action, mare-resolve to and mag-shift yung dynamics ng relationship to better and mas malalim pa na connection between you and your person. Okay? Medyo guarded yung heart ninyo kasi syempre may mga issues nga na dati na hindi naayos. So, ngayon na parang gusto nyo ayusin, medyo guarded kayo ng konti. Normal lang yan kasi this is something new. Pero the more you practice resolving issues right away, the more na magiging normal na lang siya sa inyong dalawa. Okay? And here, with the Queen of Pentacles showing up in the relationship, very nurturing. There's so much comfort after nyong maayos to. Kapag hinarap ninyo yung mga kailangang harapin sa relationship, eventually you will feel better. Yeah, you'll feel this comfort na ay tama yung ginawa ko, ay mabuti na lang inayos namin. And Queen of Pentacles has this energy also of dependability. So you depend on each other. After this, parang alam nyo na nga na that you can depend on each other. Kasi nga alam nyo na the right or the best practice is to resolve all issues right away. Okay? And with the Knight of Cups here in the reading, sinasabi din dito that there's this unexpected gesture or action na magli-lead into a better connection or better dynamics nga. So the Knight of Cups has this moving on to the next level kind of energy. So, kapag na-resolve ninyo, right, you might shift to the next level of the relationship, a new milestone, di ba? Kaya nga, mag-shift yung itong Wheel of Fortune. Di ba? Iaangat na siya ulit. Well, it's bababa, pero I mean, you have the power na to even make it faster to go back up. Diba? So, and with the Page of Cups, okay, so from Knight of Cups, then it has this Page of Cups. Yung kung Knight of Cups may unexpected gesture. After that, magkakaroon ng Page of Cups or fresh start. And this fresh start will give so much excitement between the two of you. Okay? Parang, uy, yeah, this is new, this is good, this is even better than before. May ganung feeling, di ba? And you can shift nga at maalis tong Five of Cups energy dito. This hidden energy here. So, goods yan, di ba? Kaya, tulungan lang and dapat pareho kayo na i-tackle yung issues or the adversity in your relationship head on. Okay, so sana nakatulong itong reading na to. Okay, I always use my reading with discernment. Nasa sa inyo pa rin naman, nasa inyong mga kamay ang inyong kapalaran. And yeah, go, kaya nyo yan. Okay? Kita-kits na lang muli sa susunod ko pang love reading. Ako si Mistigo Moreno, or in short, Miss Mo. Kita-kits. Ingat.